For the creation of this video, a cuica has been used and amplified with a Schertler DIN Uni P48. It has also been used a tubular bamboo percussion, as well amplified with a contact microphone. A Sennheiser MKH 416 recorded the ambient. Then some rattles and 2 bunches of dry grass have been used. Both the contact microphones and the Sennheiser have been connected to the Schertler mixer. The Arthur Prime 5. The old instrument that you will see in the video is amplified with EPA 4099 into Sennheiser MKH 416. The same microphones have been used for the homemade instrument.